Hi everybody, all my followers, be welcome to another video. So literally I've just wrapped up the video for this car, a problem not starting or intermittently. Most likely you have seen that video, and I'm just carry on now straight to the next problem. I was told that the HVAC system doesn't work, the fan, which is true, and that every time they replace the fuse burns. So I've tried already, I put a fuse in there and it burns straight away. And what I wanted to show you as well is that this is the fuse, the original fuse, 20 amps, and they already have tried to put a 25. Have we not learned nothing from that BMW video? Never use overrated fuses unless it's just for test purpose only and stuff like that. But anyway, that was not me. I've just been told they replaced the fuse burned. I've tried already just to see, put a 20 fuse amp. As soon as I turn that to speed 1, bang, it blows straight away. So let's gonna diagnose this and hopefully get it fixed. Hey guys, first thing, removed the glove box, and now I'm going to remove the resistor. Okay, so that's my plug. Oh dear, there it is. Look at that, the sign of burning. So that's my problem. Okay, let's gonna remove the resistor, which is right there. It's gonna take it off and see what happens, see how it is, but it looks like that's gonna be my problem. Hey guys, next step is test the fan. I have a cable here plugged to a battery. It's gonna put voltage, so plus and minus. Let's gonna put voltage on these two wires here, which is the ones that goes to the fan. If the fan runs, that means my fan is good, and something else is gonna be my problem. So there we go. Fan is running full speed, obviously, because we are bypassing the resistor. But as you have seen, there's nothing wrong with the fan. So that means this is going to be my problem. It's going to be my resistor. The resistor looks good though. It doesn't look like if it's burned or anything like that. Could we have these melting, this poor contact here, and somehow that started to obviously put too much load in there and started to fail. Let's check that, see if we can salvage this. And look at that guys, look how this is. And I think this wire have melted through and was shorting this green wire with that yellow one in there. Look, I think that's what was happening. So let's replace this pin here. I should have some spares in there from old plugs. Let's gonna replace these, redo all this, and put a clean stuff here. All the other ones, they are okay, cleaned, proper cleaned. It was only this one that start to end. So let's gonna replace this and go from there. Okay guys, and looking at this, it looks like what happened was actually that with the heat, obviously poor contact, load the circuit, because obviously it was less contact surface, and it started to load this, to overload this. Heat melted, and it melted these sort of divisions between these pins here, between these little sockets here, and when it burned, these actually touched together, and that was it. So it might was here at the back as well, but it looks like it was here as well. So, and because there's no way for me now to put a pin here and guarantee it's not going to touch, and this plug is gone, it's done already. So what I've done is I've took every single pin out, compressed the plates inside, make sure they have a proper contact, and cleaned. And what I'm going to do to fix this, because this is done already, this plug one day is going to have to be replaced, I'm going to do this different, and I will show you what I'm going to do. Guys, and let me show you what I've done. So what I've done is I've bypassed the green wire, obviously is yellow here, but it's all soldered through here, drilled a hole and soldered that straight into the pin inside. Okay, so the ideal repair would be obviously a new plug, because this socket here is gone. It would have to be a new one, and obviously redo this wire as well, but I think it's gonna work. Let's try now. Let's put a new fuse, ignition on, and see what happens. Okay, ignition is on. I'm gonna run this with the resistor out of its place just to try. The idea of having the resistor in there is obviously the airflow helps to cool this down. So we're just gonna run it for maybe a minute or so, just to make sure everything's good, and then we'll put it where it belongs. So let's gonna put a 20 amp fuse. Okay, so that used to go off as soon as you turn on, and look at that. Speed 1, speed 2, speed 4. Let me see if you can hear it. So 0, speed 1. I don't know if you can hear it. 2, 3, 4. So the one that's going to reduce model load is speed 1. Oh, it's getting hot already. I'm happy with it. I'm really happy. Ooh, it's getting hot. So this should be in there, obviously, to help cool this down. It's gonna turn it off. Right, I'm really happy with this. I'm just gonna tape this. And that's it, really. I think that's it for now. I think that's what we're gonna do. Let's tape this here, just in case. What have I done here? Oh, I touched the ground in there. Oh dear. I'm still working. Let's take this fuse off. Oh dear. Touched the ground in there, that bolt, and I just kicked the fan in. Okay, so I think that's it, guys. I'm gonna possibly tape this so nothing comes off here, but I'm really happy, guys. I'm really happy with the result. The solder here is really good. It's not gonna come off. So it's gonna put this back on in there and see what happens. Okay, guys, and that's it. Look at that. We have HVAC again. Okay, I had this running here for about, on speed 1, for about, what, 20 minutes maybe, and it's been fine. It's running fine. So I'm really happy with the result we have here. And yes, the proper repair would be a new plug, a new resistor, obviously, and get it all done. But guys, we solved the issue. Sooner or later that resistor will fail, not for the same problem, but who knows, we might last a few years. So guys, I think that's it for this video. Hope there's something here that you guys are gonna like it. Maybe the idea of how to do this, to reuse one in the same situation. This is a quite common problem anyway, so I hope you guys like it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do have any questions or any comments, put them below, and like always, guys, thanks for watching.